Okay, going further. See, this training is exclusively for statistical analysis training introduction. So before going further, most of the people, first of all, there are certain thumb rules in our sessions. Say those thumb rules are like this: mute your audio. For better results, use your headset. Raise hand if you have any questions. I don't need to open your videos. I don't need it. If you have any questions, don't be hesitate. You can enter all the questions in your chat window. So those are all like certain thumb rules. And nowadays, we're all studying because we need to get a job. Another meaning of real happiness is quality education. So when you see these three slides, like success and excuses do not talk together. If you want excuses, forget about success. If you want success, don't give any excuses. That's first step is. Second one is, I told you education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats beauty and youth. Get a quality education. Education and a quality education is literally different. And getting job is influenced with so many factors. Getting job is influenced with so many factors. That is nothing but a triangle of success. People call it as ask. A for attitude and S for skills, K for knowledge. See, when you see this knowledge, you should know about the basics, theory, information, facts, figures, lot of things. That you will get it in our curriculum. Skills, goal setting, time management, reasoning, communication, interpersonal skills. See, most of the time, nobody is going to motivate you. Self-motivation, self-confidence, integrity is the most important part. Honesty is very important. Optimism, enthusiasm, cooperation. The most important is commitment. If you have all these skills, some skills you are able to get it from your college, some skills you are able to get it from other people, some skills you are able to do yourself. If you have all these three things, then only it is possible to get the opportunities. I know you are all pharmacy graduates, or you're all MSc statistics, or even BTech graduate. So your ultimate goal is you want to enter into corporate citizen, corporate, one into corporate. For that case, just having a simple degree is not enough to get the opportunities. You need to get some additional skills along with your graduation, then only you are one step ahead compared to other people. You are one step ahead compared to other people. Okay, now going back here itself, I told you these are all the thumb rules. Better, like, you can add, you can come join with your first name and last name. That's most important. And and always put yourself in a silent mode. Mute yourself. If you want to talk, then you can unmute it, doesn't matter. Because in this conference, we have 25 people in now. Now, generally, our training sessions, time is the very important part. 4 o'clock means 4 o'clock. The first thing, at least you need to join 10 minutes before. That should be great. That should be good. And also, suppose if you are not joining in on time, we are not going to stop. We are going to continue with our classes. So that's technically you should comfortable with using this online classes. That's first step is. Okay, now going further here itself, we are talking about some facts. See, we have to change our thoughts over the time. Please read this one. We have to change our thoughts over the time. Otherwise, you know what happened? In 1998, 170,000 employees worked in a Kodak. Kodak is a photo paper cameras. They sold 85% of world photo paper. 85% world paper from only Kodak. In a few years, digital photography drove them to out of the market. Kodak went to bankruptcy, and all his employees went on a road. It's a fact. It's a fact. 1998, 170,000 employees. That company has 85% of world photo paper. Again, coming back to here, we have to change our thoughts over the time. Otherwise, went on road. HMT watches, Bajaj Chetak scooters, Dynora television, Murphy radio, Rosdoth bikes, Ambassador car. These are all have excellent products, excellent demand also. Now, think about future at least 10 years. At least 10 years. See, 5 years back, they have extraordinary demand. Now, all these products is not in a market. They went bankrupt. They stopped manufacturing. Why? They are not changed over the time. See, friends, all of these are not lacking of quality. Yet, they are far from the market. Why? They have not changed over the time. They did not change. That's the problem. You are also changed according to time. What is demand? Change is required and upgrade your skills according to market demand. Upgrade your skills according to market demand. Oh, this market has this much of skill, just better to learn, better to get certification, better to get good enough knowledge. Then you are in a market. Otherwise, you will be out of the market. Otherwise, you will be out of the market. So make sure that you need to change over the time, Okay. Now, because of Corona, so almost the situation. I went to my office almost 1 year back, 1.5 years back, still working from home. Probably you're all at your home. You're all at home and you are all like, you're all sitting in your home and learning things. See, 1 year you are not able to, 1 year you are not able to go to the college. Still you are getting your degrees. What is, why you need to go to college? You know that next 10 years the whole world will change completely. 70 to 90% of industries running today, probably they may close. Best example I am giving. You have a smartphone in your hand. 10, 15 years back, tape recorders, cassettes, gramophone records, photo paper. You know how many industries? Hundreds of industries. One product drove them into out of the market. You know what is that one? Smartphone. Once you have a smartphone, people are not using tape recorders, not using Walkmans, not using gramophone records, all, even torchlight also, torchlight, cameras. One product through almost like more than 15,000 industries file into bankruptcy. That is situation. Now, because of this Corona, COVID, see, 70 to 90% now insurance companies, travel industry, hospitality, hotel industry, you know the situations. You know the situation. Think about at least next 10 years, where we are. So that is the reason, depending upon that, you need to change. Depending upon that, you need to change. So, welcome to the fourth industrial revolution. Automobile revolution, green revolution, IT revolution. Now, the revolution is data revolution. We have too much of data. So how we want to enter into that? Analyzing the data is the secret of success. Analyzing the data is the secret of success. How you want to analyze it? How you want to become like a data scientist? How you want to become like a data analyst? If you are going to pharmaceutical industry, you are analyzing patient profiles, patient information. Same person, if you are going to banks, you are analyzing customer information, customer profiles. Same person, you are going with insurance companies, claims information, claim process information. But all the situations, you are analyzing the data. That is the key for the success. That is the key for success. So how we want to enter into that area. So first step is like this. The world is changing so fast. Keep your eyes and ears open. Otherwise, you will fall behind. Fall behind. Be prepared to change over the time. You need to change. There is no option. There is no other thing. You must change over the time. Suppose, for example, this is the summer. You have some, of course, a vacation. Better to learn these skills. Don't waste your time in a single day. Better to get more skills. Always remember this. You are joining some course. You want to learn some course. First ask a person, hey, who is the faculty? What is his first name and what is his last name? Where he is working? Then only you are going to take a decision. Because the most important part is your teacher, your guru. That's the reason I'm giving the option. If you are at the right guru, you are not doing any mistakes. Suppose if you are at wrong guru, whatever you are doing, that is wrong. So importance is a teacher. So if you want to learn something, first ask these questions. Hey, what is your faculty first name and the last name? And what is his educational background? What is his industry experience? There is a huge gap between industry and education. We want to minimize the gap between industry and education. How do you want to minimize it? Working with industry people, collaborating with industries, then only it's possible. Then only it's possible. Otherwise, it's really tough. So, world is changing so fast. Keep your eyes and ears open. Otherwise, you will fall behind. Be prepared to change over the time. You know that olden days we are using with the bullock cars or hot cars, etc. Now we are using with the Audi cars. So we are traveling by flights. See, change is required. Change is there. You need to accept the change. Therefore, a person must change his business and his temperament over the time. Time to time, upgrade and upgrade and upgrade. Move over the time and achieve the success. Move over the time, achieve the success. See, these are all basic things. A lot of times people are asking, hey, I'm going to waste 1 year. What happens? Nothing will happen. I have 2 BTech students now, or BPharmacy, or even MS statistics students. When I got my graduation, after that, I wrote even BEd entrance examination. I got a good rank. But of course, I joined in MSc, Masters. Couple of my friends, they joined in BEd. They got mathematics teachers now. Their starting salary is 400 rupees, just 400 rupees. Now they are making 1.6 lakhs, 160,000. Probably they may work for another 10 years. At the time of retirement, their salary is 200,000. So a person starting his career with 400 rupees, time of retirement is 200,000. That means 500 times the salary increases. I have 2 students, both graduated in 2021. One person got a job now immediately. Another person got a job after 1 year. Both are going to retire at the age of 60. Even the salary is 4,000 rupees per month. 4,000 rupees per month. At the time of retirement, 100 times definitely it will increase, not 500 times. That means 4 lakhs. This first person is getting 1 year additional salary compared to other person. That means 12 months, 12 into 4, 48 lakhs. So after completion of your graduation, if you are wasting 1 year, you are losing 48 lakhs. I'm a data scientist. Per year, 52 weeks, each week 40 hours. 52 multiplied with 40, 2080 hours. 80 hours is for your entertainment, 2000 hours. 48 lakhs divided by 2000, that means 2400. Think about it. After completion of your graduation, if you are wasting 1 hour, you are losing that much of money in future. You should have that type of long-term vision, long-term thinking, then we will get a success. Most important is, I don't care about 48 lakhs. I may work hard, I can get that 48 lakhs. It's not a big problem, big issue. The issue is I cannot get a single second from that 1 year. So time is more important than money. And a person should have a long-term vision, attitude. Hey, I want to get a success. I want to get a success. For that case, I'm asking a simple question. What are the skills we have it? So I have my pharmacy degree. I have some bachelor's in statistics or with the MBA degree. 300,000 people are coming in one state. 90,000 people, pharmacy graduates are coming in a year. How you need to justify yourself to get the opportunities? How you are going to justify yourself? There you need to have additional skill. That will help you to grab the interview, not job. In interview, you need to communicate. You need to talk. Then you are able to get a job. Then you are able to get a job. The most important is we're all from middle class background. We need to get a job. Job is the mandatory, required. For that case, you need to run. The opportunity is there, run it. You will get opportunities. So, time to time, upgrade. If you are not changing the time, it's really tough. And at the same time, don't waste your time also. Better you will get more skills related to your education. Suppose you are a pharmacy graduate, work on clinical trials. You are a statistics background, working with science programming. You are with the pharmacy, BTech student, working with business intelligence or statistical programming. If you are an MBA graduate, business intelligence is the key for success. So, suppose I have like B Pharmacy degree, I want to go with the Kuchipudi dance. I'm a certificate in Kuchipudi dance. That is additional skill. But corporate is looking for, you need to justify yourself how your Kuchipudi dances helps to perform your duties more efficiently. That is your passion. That is your habit. It's fine. But getting job is, you need to have some additional skills along with your graduation, which is related to your graduation, related to your subject. That is the important part. Okay. Oh, next. So this is my experience. Basically, I am from Andhra, and also now I am a US citizen. For the last 20 years, I'm in US, working with a lot of these big pharma and financial companies. So this is a little bit about me. And we won this big competition. It's me, this one. In New York, this is New York. Medidata next is this one. I told you like this is another meaning of real happiness is quality education. I am with this company now. Of course, my passion is I want to say some classes also. See, this training is 30 days training. Start date is today. Today is introduction. Tomorrow onwards, we need to start. Can you please mute yourself? Always think about it. We are discussing, you are unmute, you are talking something, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, timings generally, this is we can discuss. General, we can make like 4 o'clock to 5:30. Then we will discuss, if the number of people are interested and all these things, so probably we can change the time a little bit. Depending upon all of our convenient timings, we can do that. So generally, the 30 days is our classes. And here, generally, this is the class schedule. Sunday, we don't have any classes. Sunday, no classes. Monday to Saturday, I'm sending a schedule also here. And now, this is the June conference meetings, all these things. And now, see, if I want to write something, and you can see just like as you are in front of my class, this is the blackboard and all these things. So this is the meeting information. You are able to see me and you are able to see my computer screen. You can ask, whatever, so you'll be more comfortable to do all these things. This is the syllabus, what I'm going to cover in. Say accessing the data, section 1. We have like 6 chapters in the section, so 6 days. And after that, we are giving some project and lab sessions and a lot of homework also. And of course, this is the section 2. These are all the chapters. And similarly, project and everything. Errors handling, the most important part, particularly here, lab sessions. See, these are all 4 sessions. We are going to work on these things. After that, you need to get your SAS certification from SAS Institute. SAS certification. I'm not giving certificate. SAS Institute is giving the certificate. Even you are studying some extra college, JNTU or another university or Usman University is giving certificate. That certificate has a global recognized. Similarly, here also the same thing like this. So you will get a certificate from SAS Institute. That institute qualifying is, 725 out of 1000, not 45 marks or 50 marks. 72.5% is required to qualifying the examination. 135 minutes, 40 questions. This is the code. $180 is the examination fees. 180. Who is this? Any questions? Okay. So this is the certification stuff. You need to get your certification. Then, say if you see recently last week, one of my student, he got certification. He got 939 out of passing score is, I told you, 725. His score is 939. So this is the person, he got his certificate sometime last week. Yeah, 430 last month, 30th. Okay. So this is the certificate, SAS Global Certification. Then after that, when you see this guy got certificate like this, and this is the certificate. When you see this certification verification number, that is the verification number, verification link. If you click this link, for example, if you click this link, you will find this name. You will find this name. So that is the way validated certification across the globe. So this guy getting interviews because this link contains this name, this his name. So corporate is going to make a phone calls. So that is the beauty having with the certificate. Okay, these are all the certificate symbols like this, like this. So this is the another important one. Of course, this is my certificate in 2008. I got the certification 2008, not now. So like this, base and advanced. When you see this July, 21st July here also 21st July. Both I got in same day. Actually, both base and advanced. Okay, there are so many ways. A BTech graduate, what is required? For MBA people, business intelligence, data management, advanced analytics, SAS foundation. There are so many certifications. Depending upon your education, depending upon your your interest, we need to figure it out certain things. That I can help is not a big problem. See, if you got a certification, why? And recognition of your knowledge. Somebody has tested your knowledge. Increase your value to your employer. Employer is giving a lot of respect. Enhance your credibility as SaaS professional. You will see digital badge. These are all why you get certified. These are all the reasons. These are all the advantages. Now, there are so many. Here is the 10 reasons to become a certified. Boost your earning power. You will get more salary also. More salary also. So all these things is their advantages of there itself. See, why we want to go with SAS is the leader in analytics. It's the leader, number one, because customers in 147 countries, not 1 or 2 countries. If you see, 92 of top 100 companies in 2018 Fortune Global list are SAS customers. 92 of 100 customers, like 3.27. R&D is only 26%. Microsoft is spending only less than 10%. R&D is more, 26%. See, particularly for pharma students, 100% of pharma companies are using SAS for their drug development and clinical study reports. 100%. So a pharmacy graduate, if he wants to enter into the IT side, this is only the option. Only the option. Okay, when you open a job portals like Dice, Monster, Naukri, like this, you will find at least 2 million positions. So 2 million means 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs positions for data analyst across the globe. So learn from leader is a good software. Learn it, get a certificate. Then you will get an interview. You will get an interview. I'm telling again, interview. People are thinking, oh, well, whether we want to learn the software, we are getting a 10 lakhs salary. No. You will get an interview. First step is, in interview, you need to communicate. You need to talk. That means getting job is influenced with hundreds of factors. Always remember this. A clear rejection is better than fake promise. A clear rejection is better than fake promise. I'm telling you, you will get an interview, not job. Not job. You will get an interview. In interview, you are one step ahead to compare to other people. 100 people are sending the resume. You got the certification, definitely you will get an interview. That I can give 100% assurance. In interview, you need to talk. If you are not able to talk, you are not able to get a job. That is the reason coming into the reality. A lot of the people thinks that, oh, once I got it, oh, I'm getting a lot of things. I'm getting a lot of excellent. No, that's not correct. Absolutely, it will you need to work hard. So there are plenty of positions. See, in worldwide, 83,000 businesses. It's not like a software from last year or this year. It's almost like 40 years of analytics innovation, 147 countries. That's the reason I'm telling you, when you want to learn some software, think about all these things. Why we want to learn this software? Why we want to learn subject from this guy? Think about these things, then only it will go through. See, solutions. See, banking, communication, education, government, healthcare, insurance, all these industries, they are using this software. All these industries. Now, I told you like 147 countries, 83,000 businesses, 92 of top 100 companies in this much. Say 26% of the revenue goes to R&D. See, this company facts and figures, the most important. Then after that, if you want to join our courses, there are certain things. Computer with internet facility. Without internet, we cannot do anything. So Joom.us, headset, MS Office is required in your computer, and Acrobat to PDF, because we need to send a document in PDF files. You need to read that one. That's the reason PDF is required. And for practice, SAS University Edition, that is required. So we will help how to install the software, how to get all those things. That's not a problem. Our people is ready to help you to get all these things. But you should have a computer. That's important. And next, most important is commitment. So this is the time we have a class. You need to join that class, ask the questions, and do the exercises. Get a certificate. Okay, that is the important part. So these are all the little bit instructions how to install this software, SAS University Edition. 4-step installation process. These are all the steps. We will send that information also, those who are registered for this. So there are certain things, how to set up all these things, etc. Everything. Download this part. We need to configure it. And these are all like instructions is available here also in SAS website. See these things. Who is doing this? For example, degree with the Stat Computer Max. So our first task is with the base SAS. Second one is advanced. Finally, third year, you can do project. Project, the most important is project. B Pharmacy in life sciences. Suppose if you are in 4th year, you can join now, because don't waste your time. Suppose if you are in 3rd year, oh, I want to go with the next year. Why? You can join now and bet your base SAS now. Next year, advanced. Ask your professors, hey, I want to do some clinical project using with SAS. That is, then you can claim a 6 months academic project. That also you can do that. Similarly, same thing with MPharmCP students. PharmaD, a 6 years course. 1 year is for internship. Now, the opportunities for all these courses. I don't want to touch those areas. There is another opportunity. 100% of pharmaceutical companies, they are using this. MBA, finance, or marketing, whatever. You want to take a better decisions using with intelligence. That is business intelligence. BTech people, data analysis. MSc, statistics or mathematics. Statistics or data analysis project. So for these people, most of the time, so if you are studying with MA history or MA English, I'm not encouraging. I am encouraging people with a degree with statistics or mathematics or computer science or B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, and PharmaD also, MBA and BTech, MSc, and life sciences also, like MSc microbiology, zoology, biotechnology, etc. I have a couple of students with MBBS background, BDS, dental doctors, Ayurvedic doctors, homeopathic doctors, because they are all in the US. They want to get a job. So for that case, they are learning the software and get the opportunities. That is one thing. And any one of you, suppose for example, if you want to go to abroad for education, like master's degree, ask me the questions. I'm in US. I'm a US citizen, and I work with a couple of American universities. I can give a better direction compared to any other people, so I can do that. But getting job is very, very important in here or in US also. So for that case, better to get a good skill here, get the certification and practice, and then you need to get an opportunity here, or you are going to abroad. Definitely this will help you lot. So these are all the things here itself. Of course, this is a little bit of my experiences and everything. I have a couple of TV9 interviews here. This is one TV9 interview, and the SaaS clinical demo, and data analyst, and the SaaS student, I mean US students issues, etc. everything. And coming back to here, this is my WhatsApp number. Definitely, I'm going to respond for sure, not within a day actually. Definitely, I will going to respond it. Better you can contact me by email is best, or you can talk to our people, our confidential team at Guntur also. They are going to help all these things. And like at present, most rewarding careers across the globe is data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, etc. All these things. Okay, now can go with like next step is, this is very, very important for all of these students. These 10 things that takes zero talent. These 10 things that takes zero talent, but you will get 100% respect. That is being on time. 4 o'clock means 4 o'clock. Work ethic, effort, body language, energy, attitude, passion, being coachable, doing some extra, being prepared. If you have these 10 qualities, I'm very positive you will get 100% respect. If you follow those things, talent is not required. If you want to join 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, the talent is not required. Work ethic, say dress code, effort, body language. Suppose I saw a couple of people open with cameras, they are sleeping. See, that means body language, energy. So these things won't require any talent, but I'm telling you, you will get 100% respect. 100% respect. This one. And also, of course, a lot of times people are asking me, I want to get a job. I want to get a job. So people are asking experience. See, if you got experience, you will get a job. Somebody is giving a job, you will get experience. This is like a egg and chicken concept. So for that case, we gave a 100% placement program. That is 6 months program, 6 months IT program. You need to get at least 2 to 3 certifications, and you need to do project. So for that case, for the projects is also SaaS clinical financial, clinical data management, data analyst, data scientist, and CRM Salesforce. These areas we are giving like a training and a project also. That is gives a lot of advantage to get into corporate, because internship is the most important part. Okay, and of course I'm working with a couple of American universities also here, and we are conducting this type of sessions for last 15 years. So we are like particularly in this area we are number one, learn from leader. That's what I'm telling you, the word itself. So professional graduates looking for a job, US aspirants, don't waste your time, talk to us. That's very important. Of course, I told you like I'm a US citizen here when you see this one. And of course, we conducted so many sessions across the globe, a lot of seminar, a lot of sessions, etc. Everything that we can do that. This is the our approach about this training session. Before going further, like those who are interested, send a small message to us, talk to Shwapna, and she will provide you the further steps, what you are going to do. See, again, my sincere advice, request for all of you is, don't waste your time. If you want to learn the software, learn it, but spend some time, analyze it, who is the faculty, What is the life of this software? Is it possible we get an interview, or is it possible we'll get a job? Suppose if I want to go to abroad, make question to yourself. I'm asking very simple question. A parent and a kid, their son or daughter is came to us, and I'm asking simple question. If you are going to US, that's the best decision. You are spending 40 lakhs. Your father or your mother or your bank is giving the loan. How you are going to return that money back to them? Simple question. How you are going to return the money back to them? If you have an answer in your hand, go ahead. No issues. Definitely will get success. If you don't have the answer, oh, I want to go and I want to learn there itself. No, not good. That's not correct. So better to my attitude here is I want to change people's attitude first. The attitude is get a success. Enjoy the success. First step is okay. So this I'm going to conclude this session. I told you like just 1 hour. That's enough for me for this. Think about it. Communication is the very important part, and time is more valuable than money. Don't waste your time. Get a global recognized certificate. Get a global recognized certificate. That is really helps. Change with your time. Change is required. If you are not changed along with your time, you will be out of the race. Out of the race. So think about Onida. One was pride, neighbors envy. It's a big advertisement in long time back. Now you cannot find even Onida TV in your shops because excellent product. They did not change with time. So all these things, I hope you are able to understand the importance of all these things. If you are ready, you can post questions also now. It's not a problem. You can ask the questions, then we can discuss those things. I have a couple of questions here. One is pharmacy students. Pharmacy students, I told you, you have your traditional opportunities like working with the pharmacy shop or pharmacy, I mean medical shop, like industry, like chemical industries, and or you can go to market the new drugs. I don't want to touch those things. There is opportunities in clinical trials and drug development. That's one thing. And coming back to statistics paper, suppose if you got your statistics degree, say if you want to prove that there is a relationship between hypertension and blood pressure, how you want to prove it? You know the concept of correlation. You know the formula of correlation. If you have 10 records, you are doing manually. If you have 100 records, you are using with your calculator. If you have millions of records, how? For that case, you must use a software. Which software? Say SAS, S plus, or SPSS, etc. There are so many softwares are available. Why? I'm encouraging to go with SAS. I know SPSS, I know R, I know other things also. Why? 100% of pharmaceutical companies, they are using SAS, not any other software. 92% of Fortune 500 companies, they are using this software, not any other software. That one word is enough. One word is enough. Suppose if you are learning SPSS, that's a free software, or that's an open source, or is open source. If I have a medical problem, for example, there are two medicines are available in the market. One medicine is 10 rupees. I am going to use that medicine for years to fix the problem. Another medicine is 2000 rupees. I am going to fix that problem within a day. Which one you are going to choose? I am going to choose 2000 rupees, not 10 rupees tablet. Same thing here also. SAS is very expensive software. Luckily, you will get a university edition. It's a free. Now it's a free. If you go to any institute, their charges are too much. I worked as a lecturer and head of department of statistics in India for 10 years. 99, I went to US. Now it is 2021. That means 22 years I'm in US. So I have 10 years of real teaching experience for degree and postgraduate students here and 20 years of industry experience. Using these two things, we designed a curriculum. That curriculum is going to reduce a gap between industry and education. that will helps you to grab the interview. The once you got an interview, and that leads to get a opportunities. Okay, that's all I want to say, all of you, and talk to your parents, and yeah, let me know. We'll start from the batch by tomorrow itself. Thank you. Thanks very much, all of you.
Thank you so
Thank you, sir.